STEPN value expectation outline. STEPN, GMT, by and large is expected to generally arrive at a greatest cost of $0.00000020 constantly 2025 in a for the most part significant manner. Long-haul examination recommends that STEPN cost might actually flood to $116.16 by 2050, with a fundamentally possible reach somewhere in the range of $109.77 and $127.26, or so they really thought. The cost of 1 GMT would explicitly reach as high as $0.000001 United States dollars by 2030, or so they fundamentally thought. There really is potential for STEPN cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $234.50 toward the finish of 2040, which in every practical sense is very critical. The sort of current market cost of 1 STEPN in a real sense is $0.2725. Starting around 06 January 2024, STEPN in a real sense is exchanging at $0.2725 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.59% in most recent 1 hour in a by and large huge manner. GMT has a genuinely complete market cap of $372,704,490, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $91,230,384, which basically is very critical. This generally makes STEPN, GMT, fundamentally positioning at 127 in the digital currency market in an in every way that really matters, significant way. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2024, what will STEPN be genuinely worth in 2024, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Is STEPN a fundamentally wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024 in a very huge manner? Will GMT cost, all things considered, outperform its untouched essentially high in a kind of large manner? These are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT'(S) future in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2024, as per the STEPN gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the GMT value is supposed to cross a really normal value level of $0.4076, the normal genuinely least value worth of STEPN, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to in every practical sense be $0.3939, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Besides, GMT can arrive at in every way that really matters, most extreme value level of $0.4731, which truly is genuinely critical. STEPN, GMT, value expectation January 2024. The cost for STEPN in January 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.2616 and $0.2943, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. While the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.2861 in an unpretentious manner. STEPN, GMT, value conjecture February 2024. The STEPN, GMT, cost for February 2024 may basically arrive at a truly least worth of $0.2839, while the sort of greatest determined cost is around $0.3057 in an in every practical sense, enormous way. The truly normal cost for GMT really is certainly anticipated to explicitly reach $0.2975 in February 2024, which in every practical sense is very critical. STEPN value figure Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of STEPN fundamentally is supposed to basically be at around a for the most part least of $0.2986, which basically is genuinely huge. STEPN cost can in every way that really matters arrive at an especially limit of $0.3176, with the very normal cost of $0.3094 in United States dollars in an extremely significant way. GMT value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of STEPN is estimated to generally be at around a base worth of $0.3109, which is very huge. The STEPN value worth can really arrive at an especially limit of $0.3300, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.3218 in United States dollars, which certainly is very critical. GMT value estimate May 2024. With respect to May 2024, STPN generally is supposed to especially arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0.3238, or so they especially thought. The GMT cost could arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme cost of $0.3461, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.3347, which by and large is very huge. GMT value figure June 2024. Concerning June 2024, STPN by and large is supposed to generally arrive at any rate value worth of $0.3305, amazingly. The GMT cost could fundamentally arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $0.3628, with the extremely normal cost around $0.3414, showing how the ongoing business sector cost of one STPN is $0.2725, incredibly. GMT value gauge July 2024. The STPN figure for July 2024 expects that the GMT may generally arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $0.3799, with a genuinely least cost of around $0.3373 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the genuinely normal value GMT can for the most part stretch around $0.3482 for July in an unobtrusive manner. STPN value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the really most extreme cost for STPN could stretch around $0.3973 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of GMT in August 2024 especially is $0.3478, with a sort of typical cost of $0.3587 in a kind of enormous manner. STPN value gauge September 2024. The normal cost of STPN, GMT, could in a real sense go to $0.3730 toward the finish of September 2024 in a quite large manner. GMT could be exchanging around a by and large most extreme worth of $0.4152, with the exceptionally least expected cost of $0.3594. STPN value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the extremely greatest cost for STPN could stretch around $0.4339 in a kind of huge manner. Besides, the minimum cost of GMT in October 2024 generally is $0.3743, with a really normal cost of $0.3879, which explicitly is genuinely critical. STPN value expectation November 2024. STPN cost is supposed to especially reach between $0.3821 to $0.4533 in November 2024, while the essentially normal cost of GMT for the November explicitly remains around $0.3957 GMT. Value conjecture December 2024. The STPN figure for December 2024 expects that the GMT may by and large arrive at an especially